Want to ditch the phone screen and dominate Brawl Stars on your PS4? Let's get started. First, make sure your PS4 is connected to the internet. This is essential for downloading the necessary apps. Next, head over to the PlayStation Store and search for PS Remote Play. It's a free app, so download and install it. Once installed, open the Remote Play app on your PS4. Now, on your computer, you'll need an Android emulator like BlueStacks or Nox Player. Download and install your chosen emulator. Inside the emulator, open the Google Play Store and search for Brawl Stars. Download and install Brawl Stars within the emulator. Almost there, launch Brawl Stars on the emulator. Go back to the PS Remote Play app on your computer and sign in with your PlayStation Network account. Now, connect your PS4 controller to your computer. The Remote Play app will stream your PS4 screen, but more importantly, it'll pass the controller input to your emulator window, effectively letting you play using your PS4 controller. Enjoy!